Some people find that painting trim can be difficult because you're working with such a small surface. To tackle this job, we're going to need the proper tools, and that means a quality brush as well as Benjamin Moore Regal Select in a semi-gloss finish. It goes on smoothly, it's durable, and it's eco-friendly. Before I get started, I'm going to protect the wall with some painter's tape, and then I can get going. I'm using a 2.5-inch angle sash brush. I'm using my favorite color, which happens to be White Dove. All you want to do is dip it in for about 1/2 inch into the can and wipe off and start painting. Too much paint is just going to create a mess. We gave it 2 coats. We allowed it to dry. We pulled the tape off. Now it's time to enjoy our newly painted room. I'm Steve Fanuka, and this is how I paint rooms with Benjamin Moore paint.